great news for UiPath stock investors. The company is using ChatGPT to make its products easier to use. In this video, I'm going to dig a little bit deeper into just exactly how the company is utilizing ChatGPT to make its services easier to use. So let's get right into those details. So this came after a question where an analyst asked UiPath management, can you explain how ChatGPT augments the products or helps your product? And the co-CEO of UiPath responded by saying, we're seeing a good opportunity to increase the adoption of our platform by making existing use cases easier to implement, democratizing access to the platform in the sense that even more and more less technical users can use it. In other words, UiPath used to require a more technical savvy employee to implement the services. With ChatGPT, the company can now serve its products to companies with less and less technical users implementing the product, thereby making it easier to use, requiring less skill to implement. So users can specify in natural language what it is, the task that they want to automate, and we use our computer vision to read application screens, and by combining our own technology with the cognitive power of ChatGPT, we can actually create very easy to use workflows that can be deployed and run by our platform. So that's a huge development. That's a huge move forward. Instead of requiring special code, computer code, to integrate the platform and to automate things, now companies, employees can just type in there in natural language what it is that they want to automate, and UiPath can use that input and automate the service and integrate into the platform. So it's much more easier to implement, doesn't require computer code. Moreover, in their document understanding business, we can accelerate the creation of domain-specific models by training them using generative AI, but then deploy them in a secure and governed manner. That's big news too, because artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, as powerful and as effective as it is, it creates a lot of problems in terms of governance. You can't use these services in an area that is highly governed. You have to have quality control in check. You can't use these services because they're not secure, right? And if you're a publicly traded company, if you're dealing with sensitive information, sensitive documents, you can't input that data into ChatGPT, right? So by creating domain-specific models, companies can now use that data, use the power of ChatGPT in a secure way, and closed in their own environment, keeping the data proprietary and secure, and making sure that it complies with the rules and regulations that these companies have to follow. So all in all, UiPath believes that this is an amazing opportunity for the platform, which I agree with. At first, I was a bit skeptical how UiPath's business was going to evolve as artificial intelligence increases in effectiveness. I didn't know exactly if the company was going to be one of the beneficiaries or one of the companies that was hurt. It wasn't precisely clear yet. It was a bit more vague. As I spend more time digging deeper into how the company's adjusting to the rise in effectiveness of AI, I'm beginning to feel that UiPath will stand to benefit from the rise of effectiveness. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.